You understand English, you can even speak a little. But when it comes to writing, you get stuck. Hello everyone, I'm Tawfiqa Hossain Maknoon, and today in this video, I will talk about how you can improve your writing skill. Start simple, write small paragraphs every day. It can be about your day, your thoughts, or anything around you. Then use tools like Grammarly to check your mistakes and improve. Writing helps you organize your thoughts and make your English more clearer. The more you write, the better you think in English. So don't aim for perfection because nobody gets perfect when they are practicing for their first time. Just aim for progress. One little step today can make a best result for tomorrow. So just do it and make your English writing skill better.